Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to share with you guys a video that I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see. You guys took a poll and you guys said, yes, show me. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure that you do. It's Bond Beautiful everywhere. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and to hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. You can totally see my baby there on the floor in my mirror. Oh my gosh, how crazy is that? He's fine, he's happy, he loves it. There. Anyways, yes, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. You guys are curious. You're curious about my skin. You're curious about what I do to take care of my skin. So I'm going to share that with you guys. We're going to go through it together. And yeah, a little side note. A lot of the products that I use are not drugstore. And I do have several videos where I share favorite skincare products, how I cleared up my breakouts. I will link those videos in iCards throughout the video, so you can go check those skincare videos out if you want to. But skincare is kind of the one beauty product over my hair, over anything else, over makeup, that I will splurge on, that I will spend a little bit more, because taking care of your skin is really, really important. Especially like the face skin. So I do splurge a tiny bit, just note that, but all these products are absolutely amazing. I absolutely recommend them to you. I have dry to normal skin, and these products have really, doing this routine at nighttime has really changed my skin, and my skin feels soft and plumpy and hydrated and just taken care of. And I do notice a difference, night to day difference, like I really did. And I just love these products. So I will link them all off down below if you're interested. Also, you guys, I always want to mention in skincare videos, if you do get any of these products and you do try any new skincare at all, make sure that you try them out in the inside of your wrist first, just to make sure you don't have any allergic reactions to them. They worked well for me, but everybody's different. Some people are more sensitive, some people are not. So make sure that you try them first. Skin is so sensitive and so different and so personalized to everybody. Just so that you know. Also, it may seem like my nighttime routine is pretty extensive. I have a lot of steps, but that's because my daytime routine is literally like 2 products, and I do a lot of like taking care of my skin at nighttime because I like to let it really sit in my skin. So like my eye creams and all that kind of stuff, I do that all at night, and it's when I have the most time to do it because all the kids are sleeping and I'm a real-time mom, so I can't just be doing that in the morning. So just so that you know, you don't have to do all the steps that I get, you don't have to use all the products I use, but this is what I do, and I find that it really, really works. And it keeps my skin clear, it's fixing a lot of my dark spots, and it's making my skin feel really hydrated, plump, and moist. So, moist. Whoa, moist is a weird word. Do not use that word moist at all. It's awful as it is, and just that I said my face is moist, that's really weird. Anyways, let's just get on to my routine. Okay guys, so the first thing that I like to do is take off all of my makeup. I used to use makeup remover wipes, but I find that this little baby works 10 times better, and you get like 365 washes out of this, and it's just so amazing. I'll link the face halo below, but here you go, face halo. You just get this wet and then you wipe your whole face, and it takes every single piece of your makeup off. It is so amazing. I can travel with it. You can put this in the washer or hand wash it, and it just works so well. Okay, so the next thing that I do is I cleanse my face, and lately I have been doing this. This is the Derma E Essentials Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil in Argan and Jojoba oils, and I love this so much. You put this all over a dry face, and then you get a wet cloth and you go ahead and you wipe away the oil, and it cleanses your face. And I find that this is really nice for dry skin. It does not break me out. I know it sounds weird, but I absolutely love this. It is so amazing, you guys. I love it so much. I'm never gonna go to a regular cleanser ever again. This is just so great. I just usually do 2 pumps of it and I just put it on all over my face. Feels so nice. And I just work it in. This is a great way to cleanse your face without stripping your face. So I absolutely love it. And I wet a cloth and I wipe my face off. Next, I use the Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. This is so wonderful to just get all those impurities out of your face, and it is a daily one, so it's safe for you to use every single day, and I love it. It's not too harsh, and it just cleans everything, cleans all of the mess, and I love it so much. I just get my face wet, and then I start to work it in between my hands, and I really work it into the skin. I love this so much. My face is so clean after without feeling tight or that squeaky clean, like where you feel stripped. It doesn't feel stripped, it still feels healthy and nice. When you have dry skin, you don't want anything that's too harsh. And you don't have to rub at it super hard. You do it really soft. You don't have to really dig into your skin. You really want to be gentle. So next is all the fun stuff. I'm going to then, now that my face is really, really clean, start putting on like the eye gel and kind of the face serum and then the face oil. That's what I do. So this is the Volition Helix AM/PM Eye Gel. I love this so much. It is so great. And it just really does a good job of just hydrating your eye. You can see how much I've gone through already. I just love this so much. Totally worth it. From Sephora, I'll link it below. So I don't just put it underneath the eyes. I also go around all the way out here to prevent wrinkles. And I even go on top of my eye, and I even go in between my forehead right here because I have some wrinkles there. And I like to just make sure it's all hydrated. You're gonna see I put a lot of stuff on my forehead because I have lines already, and oh, this feels so nice, so smooth. You can use this in the daytime or at night. Then I'm gonna use the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This is new to the Volition line, and I love their skincare. I love Volition and I love Derma E. They have some really good skincare, and this one is very new to them. I tried it and I really love it. I'm so glad that I tried it. So looks like this. You open it and then you unscrew it, and it's a dropper. You only need a pea-size amount, and then it's good. Anytime you're trying out new skincare, make sure you test it on your arm first, just in case you are allergic. So even this much is too much. Like, I'll use half of that. So what I'll do is I'll dot some and I'll rub it in on my forehead, and then I'll put some on my cheeks, and it's supposed to help retain hydration in those areas. And I really find that it works. It's just a really good product. If you use too much of this, you're not gonna like it. If you use too much, it's gonna be sticky and tacky. So make sure that you're careful. I also like to use this underneath my nighttime moisturizer or my nighttime oil, whatever it is that you use this underneath. If not, your skin will feel tacky. The first time I tried this, I put way too much all over my face, and my skin was so sticky, it was just horrible. So just use a tiny bit underneath your last step. So my last step is this one. It's the Derma E Essentials Illuminating Rosehip and Cranberry Face Oil. This is amazing. I used to use the Mary Kay Face Emollient Cream, Night Cream, which I still love, but this has replaced it for now. And it's crazy because I've used that one for years, and this is just so awesome. I love face oils if you have dry skin. It's just amazing. So I put 1 drop on each chin. Sorry, each chin. I don't have double chins. I put 1 drop on each cheek, and then 1 on the forehead. And then I just smooth it in all over my face. This is so wonderful. You can use this during the day. You can use this at night. It smells terrific. And oh, you're gonna wake up with the smoothest, most healthiest skin you have ever had. It is absolutely amazing. Your skin's gonna feel hydrated and beautiful in the morning time, and it just is wonderful. I think that if you have oily skin, you can still use this, just don't use a whole ton. Last thing that I do is I put product on my lashes and eyebrows, and I honestly love this so much. It's the Roden & Field Enhancements Lash Boost. I still have it in its little cardboard packaging. I love this so much. It's just a little brush, and you put it on your lash line and on your eyebrows to help them grow. And seriously, holy grail, I truly believe it. It really does work. Some of these don't work as well, but this one works absolutely amazing. I will link it off down below of the person you can get it from, and yeah. So I just put it on my lash line as if I'm doing liquid liner like that, and then I just comb it through my brows. And it really does. I even put it on my lashes, like right underneath, like in the tight line. I love this so much. It works so well, so amazing. But yeah, that's everything that I do for my nighttime skincare routine. You can get a close look at my skin. This, I used to have really dark spots, and they're getting better. Like my skin just looks and feels smooth and so soft. I hope you guys enjoyed the skincare routine. I hope that it was helpful. Leave me any comments down below of your favorite skincare product of the moment. Let me know down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support and your love, and for voting on my polls and not leaving me hanging on there. I'm so thankful you guys do that for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.